Okay, what's up everybody? This is 13 with Superior Mobile by 13 coming at you with one last video regarding 2019 Chevy Colorado ZR2 Bison AEV. It's Warren's truck. It's beautiful. I love you. Okay, thanks for watching. What I want to go over in this video is some of the interior modifications that we did on this. I did another really crappy video on the sound deadening treatments that I did. However, so this one I want to do exclusively just about the aesthetic modifications. So, first and foremost, I did some paint work. This Orange Crush color is so beautiful, and this interior is so blah that I decided to pull in some splashes. So anything that was silver on the original OEM interior has now been painted OEM color. This is a base coat, clear coat, so it's all professionally painted, so it's going to actually last and it looks good. So I did the door panel inserts as you see there. I did the steering wheel control trim out right here, which by the way, removing this airbag is like the dumbest, hardest airbag in the history of airbags. There's a whole YouTube video on how to remove that, and thank goodness for that video, because even knowing what I was doing, it still took over half an hour to get this damn thing removed. Anyway, once that comes out, you can take all this apart and you can trim that out, and that looks beautiful. Also did the gear shift knob trim out, cup holder trim, whatever you want to call that. Okay, so I painted that. That looks good, of course, and also the radio bezel climate control trim. So basically 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 parts got painted orange. No big deal. And also we did the shift knob replacement. There's a YouTube video on how to do that. That was actually super quick. I did that entire knob replacement in 20 minutes flat, including the electrical. So that got done. I think that is from a Blazer? Some other Chevy truck, but he's really happy with it. That was the whole point. This is the original shift knob that was on it, and I guess this thing's ugly, and well, I will admit, that one's really pretty, so it's cool. So that is actually all I wanted to do for this video, is just to showcase like, hey, I love doing these interior trim out modifications. It's just such a cool thing, makes such a big difference, because obviously you are in your car, and so you should like and enjoy your interior. Okay, other than that, there's just LED bulb replacements up there, which is no big deal. I did those back there too, which is no big deal. Links to the other modifications that I've done to this truck will be in the video description, so if you're interested in all of the things that got done for this truck, then be sure and check that out. Painting interior panels is pretty much a local only service. I mean, you could send me all of your panels, but honestly, if you were gonna do that, I would strongly suggest you find a local body shop that you trust to paint your panels, because you know what? Support your local businesses, please. Thank you for watching. This is 13 with Superior Mobile by 13. I will talk to you later. See ya!